Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to instantly speed up your Google Chrome download using some hidden settings and network tweaks. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, we need to stop Chrome from wasting resources on things you aren't even using. Because by default, Chrome keeps apps running in the background even after you close the browser, which steals bandwidth. And here is how to turn it off. First, we open your Google Chrome browser and then click on the three dots at the top right-hand corner. And after that, just simply select Settings. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, just simply click on System, and you'll see an option that says Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and turn this feature off, and after that, you can close the Chrome browser. Now we are going to make Chrome's connection faster by changing the DNS provider right inside the browser settings. So again, just simply reopen your Chrome browser, go to your settings, and this time just simply click on Privacy and Security right over here, and then in this panel, just simply click on Security. And over here, just simply scroll down until you see an option for Advanced, and in the Advanced section, just simply look for an option called Use Secure DNS, which you can see right over here. Toggle this on. If it is off, then simply click on this small drop-down menu right over here and choose Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 right over here because this is widely considered as one of the fastest servers available. So once that is done, we can move on to the next part. Now this is the most important step. We are going to enable a hidden feature called parallel downloading. This breaks large files into smaller pieces to download them all at once, which also drastically increases the speed. So what you do is just simply open a brand new Chrome tab, and then in the address bar, just simply type Chrome//flags, and then hit Enter. Now in the search box, just simply search for an option called Parallel Downloading, which you can see right over here. Just click on the small drop-down menu right over here. By default, it will be set as Default. All you have to do is choose Enabled, and then a blue button will appear at the very bottom right over here, which will say Relaunch. Click on that and restart your Chrome, and it should open on the same page again. After that, you're good to go with Chrome. Now you can close Chrome, and we are going to tweak some settings in your computer internet adapter to match the speed settings that we have on Chrome. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then the Run panel will appear in front of you. And over here, just type ncpa.cpl and then hit Enter. Now it should open your Network Adapters panel. And over here, depending on how you use your internet, through a wired LAN connection or a Wi-Fi, just simply choose that and click on it. Then click on Properties, then choose Internet Protocol version 4, double-click on it, and the DNS settings will appear in front of you. And over here, just simply click on the second option, which is Use the following DNS server addresses, and fill them exactly as you can see on the screen. Then just simply click on OK, and then close the window, and then you're good to go. And finally, let's clear all the old connection data so your computer uses the new settings immediately. All you do is open your Start menu and type CMD, then Run as Administrator. Now in your command prompt, just simply write a simple command, which is ipconfig/flushdns, then hit Enter. And after that, you should see a message that says Successfully Flushed. And if you see this message, you are all set. So that's it. Now you know how to turbocharge your Google Chrome download speed with just a few simple tweaks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.